Hi, this is Uma from EduContra. Today we are going to take part 2 of the speaking test, which is called the cue card or the long turn, and the topic is going to be complaint. Speak about a time in life when you made a complaint. When was it? What was the complaint about? How did the complaint get resolved? And what did you learn from the entire episode? I believe that complaints actually reflect the dissatisfaction of a customer with a shop or a salesperson or a product. A complaint can be made either formally or informally. It can be verbal or in writing. Today, I would like to speak about a complaint that I made recently against a salesman of a shop. It was just 2 days ago when I happened to be wandering in a mall. Suddenly, a beautiful shirt caught my eye and I decided to buy it for my husband. I was not very sure of the size, so I discussed it with the salesman who promised to exchange it in case the size was not correct. On this assurance, I bought the shirt for an arm and a leg and came home victorious, hoping to please my husband. But when he tried it on, we found that the shirt was much too big for him. So there was no option except to go in for another one which would fit him properly. So the next day, I went along with my husband to the same shop. The salesman was all courteous. He showed us a variety of shirts, but nothing was to our liking. And finally, my husband settled on a shirt which seemed to be somewhat okay for him. He tried it on. He gave a half-hearted reply to the salesman's query about his satisfaction. But when we asked about the price, we found that we had to cough up another 700 rupees. This was beyond my expectation because the salesman had never revealed that we would be expected to pay something more, since the shirt was of the same company and the same make. When I questioned the salesman about it, he said that the day I had bought the shirt was the day of sale and it had been given to me at a discounted price. The sale apparently was only for one day, so when I went the next day, since the sale was off, I had to pay extra to buy a similar shirt of an appropriate size. This angered me no end because these things were never told to me in the first place when I bought the shirt. I was very angry. I felt I had been cheated and I immediately rushed to the custom care manager who was on the next floor and I gave him a written complaint. The complaint said that I was completely dissatisfied with the way the salesman had treated me. I had been conned into buying a shirt for which I could not get a proper exchange the next day. Initially, the customer care manager was not very conducive to my complaint, but when I raised the issue with him in a bitter tone and told him that I would make a complaint to the local newspaper, he came on guard and he immediately became all sugar and honey, and he said that against the company policy he would be ready to give me an entire refund for the shirt since I could not find any shirt that was appropriate and at the same price. So at the end of the day, finally, because of the written complaint that I made, I got my money back. But I learned a very important lesson in this entire episode. I learned that if you are dissatisfied with something, it is always better to raise your voice rather than take something lying down. For it can always happen that your complaint may finally be taken seriously and you may be able to have your grievance redressed. Thank you.